I'm here with my Urban's egg boiler. I'd like to know if I could cook a frozen burrito in this egg boiler. Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. So this is the Urban's egg boiler I purchased at Home Goods a few weeks ago. And I have this frozen burrito in my freezer and I'd like to eat it for dinner today. So I'm really curious to see if I could heat this up in the egg boiler. This is the stainless steel heating surface for this egg boiler. It already has quite a bit of mineral deposits on it from the water that I've been using in it. And this is a little rack that I have. To be honest, I don't even know where I got this rack. This just happens to fit perfectly in this mini egg boiler. But I thought it would work well in this egg boiler because I would be able to put the burrito on top of that with the water underneath it. And obviously this works by steaming. So it works by boiling whatever water is on the heating surface, and then the steam rises and cooks the eggs. So instead of cooking eggs, if I put the burrito on this rack, the steam should help cook the burrito. Now it's not going to be crunchy like it was when I cooked a burrito in the mini toaster oven, but it should still be cooked. And I'm going to wrap it. I don't want to cook it in this wrapper just because I don't know like what this wrapper is made out of or what it's gonna do. I grabbed some parchment paper and also some aluminum foil. So first I'm gonna wrap the burrito in the parchment paper, and then I'm gonna wrap the parchment paper in the aluminum foil. I think that would be a good way to go. And this burrito is a little bit different from the last one that I cooked. This is a Red's Organic Black Bean and Cheese burrito. The last burrito I tried was Red's Organic Bean and Cheese. So this is a little bit different. And this was on sale, that's why I bought it. Otherwise, it's the same size and it pretty much looks exactly the same. I just wrapped it up. And let's do the same thing with the foil. Here's the burrito all nicely wrapped. Here's the egg boiler, and hopefully it'll fit. Maybe it's too big now that I've wrapped it. Let's see, will the cover go on? Yeah, if I push it in, it just fits, but by adding the parchment paper and the aluminum foil, I definitely made the burrito longer and more difficult to fit in here. I just added one of the little cups of water to the bottom, and now I'm gonna add another little cup. I think that's good. We're just at like the inner edge there. Let me see if I could push this in farther. No, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So there's the wrapped up burrito. And now that I think about this, I could probably do this with a baked potato also by wrapping it like that. Let's put the top on, push it down so it's as closed as it can be. It's pushing up just a little bit because the burrito's a little bit wide, but it should be okay. Let's turn it on. And I'm gonna set a 20-minute timer. I don't know if this is gonna cook for 20 minutes, but I'll just set a timer and then I'll come back and check it. It's been 20 minutes and the egg boiler clicked off. So I'm gonna remove this and let's see what's going on inside. So let's unwrap it. Is it still frozen? There's a little moisture inside. Oh yeah, and it's still really cold. So I could feel like this side is warm and then this side is still frozen. Like this area here is still frozen. So let's rewrap this. And I'm gonna put the colder side on the bottom. And I'll put this back in here. And we'll put the cover on. And I'm gonna let this cook again. I'll set another timer for another 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. There's still water in here and the light is still on, so it's still cooking. But I'm gonna take it out and we're gonna see what's going on. I just have to be careful because of the steam. So here's the burrito. Let's see if it's done this time. Oh, it's definitely soft. It's definitely warm. And it smells really good too. So there's the burrito. I'm gonna put a fork in it. Yeah, the fork went all the way through. The outer tortilla is gonna be chewy, not crispy like it was in the toaster oven. It is hot to the touch, and that's the inside. So the inside is warm, but it's not hot. It's just like warm. It could actually be cooked for a little bit longer in the egg boiler. The outside, the tortilla, I mean, it's soft, it's nice, but it's definitely enjoyable as it is now. I don't think I'm gonna heat it up any further. I think it's actually good. So it took about 40 minutes of steaming in the egg boiler, but also I started this from completely frozen. It's definitely good. So I'm happy it worked. I'm happy I was able to cook this burrito in the egg boiler. And if I want to quickly heat up one in the future, I know it's going to take about 2 rounds of cooking. And so I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in an egg boiler. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.